GoodDay version 7 introduces a major update to the application interface. In this video, we'll walk you through the core layout and navigation changes. The navigation panel gives you access to your workspaces and main navigation items. You can switch its position between the left side and the top of the screen and customize its appearance to match your preferences. To better organize the panel, you can move any item to the More menu using the context menu. To bring it back, simply click the pin icon. The Home section provides access to your personal views like My Work, Notifications, My Tasks, Documents, and more. Click the More button to see additional personal views. Use the pin icon to display a view in the main menu, or choose Display in More menu to hide. Next is the Pinned Items section. Here, you can pin frequently used items for quick access. For example, projects, folders, users, tasks, or documents. Just click Pin Main menu on any item. You can rearrange pinned items using drag and drop. Finally, the Views section displays your custom views or any views shared with you. Workspaces allow you to organize different types of work, activities, or departments within your team or organization. Each workspace contains its own resources, projects, folders, pages, views, tags, and more. Each workspace also has its own settings and user access controls, giving you full flexibility to organize your work effectively. To create a new workspace, use the Quick Add button or the More menu. GoodDay also includes several system spaces, which are hidden from the navigation panel by default and can be accessed through the More menu. The User space provides access to your organization's user directory and user management options. The CRM space contains CRM-related views and access to your customer portal settings. The Reports space includes all your reporting and analytics tools. The Settings space lets you manage organization-wide and account settings. The Tools space offers various work management utilities such as automation, forms, import, export, trash, and more. The Help space connects you to GoodDay's support resources and Help Center. For quick access, you can pin any of these spaces to the main navigation at any time. The Quick Add button lets you create new items from anywhere in the interface. Click the plus icon or press the N key. The Chat space provides instant access to your group and private chats. Use Quick Search to quickly find tasks, folders, or views. Advanced search options are also available when you need more precision. Finally, the My Account menu gives you quick access to your account settings and core configuration options. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit our support center or contact us.